How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use the ultimate Lotus indicator. First thing you want to do is open up a chart. Make sure you're on regular candles. It's just normal candlesticks. So I'm going to go to indicators, invite only. I'm going to click the ultimate Lotus. So we're just going to take a look and see how it works on the 15-minute for scalping. So yeah, so as you see, it's pretty good for scalping. But what if we go to 2 hour? Alright, so as you see, caught this big wave up, down. So on 2 hour, it's very good as well. As you see here, doing very well. What about 4 hour? Yeah, so as you see on 4 hour, it's doing extremely well on the 4 hour as well. Caught this bond in here. It's doing extremely well in the 4 hour, as you see here. A little bit of middling up here, but overall it's doing very well. You could even go as high as the daily, as you could see in the daily, selling here. So let's go back to the 2 hour. So yeah, so it's pretty much all there is to it. Now obviously we're just looking at Bitcoin here, but this indicator does work on on any crypto, forex, stocks. So now, how about setting alerts? So you want to know when this buy signal comes. So to do that, I'm going to go manage alerts. Go to Ultimate Lotus. So click bear for sell and click bull for buy. So let's just set a buy signal once per bar close. And then you could select if you want to get an email to SMS, if you want to get a notified in the app. Send regular email, show pop-up, whatever. So once again, select condition ultimate Lotus, bull for buy, or click bear for sell. So make one buy, one sell signal. Create it and make sure you're creating it on the time frame that you want. And that's all there is to it. And that's how to use the ultimate Lotus. Thanks.